In this tutorial, I'll show you how to generate Figma designs using AI with the builder.io plugin. Start by opening your Figma file. Next, click on Actions at the bottom of the Figma interface. From the menu, select Plugins and Widgets. In the search bar, type builder.io and open the builder.io plugin. If prompted, sign in to your builder.io account. Once the plugin opens, click on Design with AI. You'll see a prompt box where you can describe the design you want to create. Enter a detailed description of your project. For example, you can describe a landing page, portfolio website, e-commerce store, dashboard, or mobile app screen. The more details you provide, the better the AI-generated design will match your vision. After entering your prompt, click the Generate button and wait for the AI to create your design. This may take a few moments depending on the complexity of your request. Once the design is generated, review the preview and make sure it matches your requirements. When you are satisfied with the result, click Import to Figma. The AI-generated design will be added directly to your Figma canvas, where you can edit, customize, and refine every element. You can change colors, typography, images, layouts, and components just like any other Figma design. And that's it. You've successfully generated a Figma design using AI and imported it into your project. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.